everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to hide tagged photos on Facebook. So without wasting a minute more, let's jump in. So first of all, you just have to open the Facebook app and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now tap the menu icon, the three lines, and then go to settings and privacy at the bottom. Now from here you have to go to settings section, and here you will see a lot of information. So what you have to do is scroll down a bit, and under audience and visibility you would get the option profile and tagging. So press that. Now to hide your tagged photos, you have to go for tagging section, where you will get the option who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile. So if you want to hide the photos that you are tagged in on your Facebook profile, you have to set it as only me, so that no one else will be able to see those photos in which you have been tagged. All right, if you will set it to everyone, anyone on Facebook can see it, friends of friends, or you can simply hide it from some of the friends if you want. And if you want to completely hide it, you can just set it to only me, and that's all you need to do. That was all for this video. If you have any queries or any other issues, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, for more informational content and troubleshooting articles. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.